How can I increase my yield? How can I reduce my cost of operations? How can I optimize the use of resources? Can I predict failures before it happens? Can I have a lean inventory? How can I have a fast turnaround time?
The Asset Overview and Performance app provides a 360-degree overview of all the assets installed across farms by contextualizing data from field events with the corresponding enterprise systems, such as PLM, SAP, or Service Lifecycle Management. The Service Manager uses the Performance app to visualize the asset location, along with real-time tracking and analysis of business KPIs, including mean time to repair and failure, and asset availability. The 3D visualization app provides a realistic view of field assets, including critical hotspots. This visualization provides field engineers an intuitive user experience to identify and analyze potential issues prior to service actions. This drastically reduces the mean time to repair. The Cognitive Assistant helps less experienced service engineers get insight into problems based on the company's knowledge base. Field engineers are also able to relate to similar occurrences in the past through the Cognitive Engine, which uses machine learning for image, video, and voice inputs. The remaining useful life of critical wind turbine systems can be forecasted using the Predictive Maintenance app. Root cause analysis of failures A can farm also be manager performed monitors to his further farm improve remotely, the design and monitoring the manufacturing health of processes assets across fields. Critical faults trigger alarms. The key is to upkeep energy production using the predicted power versus wind speed, S-curve mapping it against the actual daily yield. A remote locking mechanism is also provided to authorized personnel for special cases or emergencies. Operations and inventory costs are key to a service provider's profitability. The report provides the opportunity to compare site-based cost analyses across asset makes, models, and locations. Field service engineers have the challenging task of performing their job under difficult conditions on top of the turbine, where they have little access to service information such as repair procedures, documentation, and spare part availability status while performing critical maintenance activities. The Maintenance Friend mobile application comes in handy, providing all online and offline information about specific assets and problem solving. The field engineer is also equipped with voice-based interaction with the application using natural language processing, to an extent that it is possible to find out availability of spares at his warehouse by clicking a picture of the damaged part. Using image-based pattern recognition and machine learning models, several other services can be provided. If the field engineer discovers a new, more efficient process to solve a problem, the company knowledge base can be enhanced through the mobile application. The mobile app also provides cognitive assistance, which leverages the company's extensive expert knowledge base. The engineers are able to interact through voice-activated inputs with a chatbot.